Imagine waking up one day to find that your life has changed forever. The seemingly impossible has happened. You've won the lottery, and the numbers aligned, the stars danced, and you're suddenly a millionaire or more. It's a dream we all share, a glimmer of hope that maybe, just maybe, luck will be on our side. But let's be real for a moment. For most of us, the lottery feels like a game of chance, a roll of the dice, where our fate is out of our hands. We buy our tickets, cross our fingers, and hope for the best, but deep down, we feel powerless to influence the outcome. It's a feeling of resignation, of accepting that our financial future is left up to random luck. But what if I told you that there's a way to change that? What if I told you that you could tap into a hidden power within yourself, a power that could shift the odds in your favor and bring you closer to that life-changing lottery win? It may sound too good to be true, but countless individuals have already discovered the secret to unlocking their abundance potential. It's not about magic spells or complicated rituals. It's about harnessing the incredible power of your own mind through a simple yet profound practice: affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, declarations of what you want to attract into your life. And they may seem like mere words, but they hold a remarkable ability to reprogram your subconscious mind, shaping your beliefs and ultimately your reality. Think of your mind like a fertile garden. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and scarcity, those are the weeds that will grow and flourish. But if you plant seeds of abundance, positivity, and belief in your own worthiness, those are the flowers that will bloom, attracting prosperity and good fortune into your life. And that's where affirmations come in. By consistently repeating affirmations that align with your desire to win the lottery, you're essentially planting those seeds of abundance deep within your subconscious. You're telling your mind, your body, and the universe itself, I am ready to receive, I am open to wealth, I am a winner. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but how exactly does saying a few positive words help me win the lottery? That's a fair question, and one we'll explore in depth throughout this video. We'll look into the science behind affirmations, share real-life examples of people who have manifested incredible results, and provide you with practical tools and techniques to get started on your own affirmation journey. But for now, let's just take a moment to acknowledge that you're here, you're listening, and that means something. It means that somewhere deep inside, you believe that there's more to this life than simply hoping for the best. It means you're ready to take control of your destiny and create the abundant future you deserve. So, how do affirmations actually work? What's the science behind this seemingly simple practice? Well, it all starts with your brain, the most powerful organ in your body. Your brain is constantly processing information, forming beliefs, and creating patterns of thought. These patterns become the blueprint for your experiences, shaping how you perceive the world and interact with it. If your thoughts are predominantly negative, focused on lack and limitation, that's what you'll tend to attract into your life. But here's the good news. Your brain is also incredibly adaptable. It has the ability to change and rewire itself, forming new neural pathways and creating new patterns of thought. This is called neuroplasticity, and it's the key to unlocking the transformative power of affirmations. When you constantly repeat positive affirmations, you're essentially feeding your brain new information, new seeds of possibility. These affirmations begin to take root in your subconscious mind, gradually replacing old limiting beliefs with empowering new ones. Think of it like this. Imagine you've been walking down the same path every day for years. The path is worn and familiar, but it leads to a destination you're no longer happy with. Affirmations are like forging a new path, a path that leads to a brighter, more fulfilling destination. At first, the new path may be faint and overgrown, but the more you walk it, the clearer and wider it becomes. The same goes for affirmations. The more you repeat them, the stronger the neural connections become, and the more deeply ingrained the positive beliefs become in your subconscious mind. As your beliefs shift, so too does your behavior. You start to make different choices, take different actions, and attract different opportunities into your life. Magnet for the things you desire, including financial abundance and that elusive lottery win. Now, this isn't to say that affirmations are a magic wand that will instantly grant you your every wish, but they are a powerful tool for aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your goals. And they help you create a mental and emotional environment that is conducive to attracting wealth and success. Now let's dive into the exciting part, lottery-specific affirmations. These are powerful statements designed to align your energy with the frequency of winning, to attract abundance, and to open yourself up to the possibility of a life-changing lottery win. Imagine yourself already holding that winning ticket, feeling the thrill of victory, and experiencing the joy of financial freedom. As you repeat these affirmations, allow yourself to truly feel those emotions, to embody the state of being a lottery winner. Here are a few examples to get you started. I am a money magnet, and wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly. The lottery is drawn to me, and I am open to receiving its abundance. I claim my winning numbers, and I celebrate my financial freedom. I am worthy of wealth, and I attract prosperity into my life. I trust in the universe's infinite abundance, and I am grateful for my lottery win. Feel free to personalize these affirmations, adding your own unique touch and making them resonate with your specific desires. The most important thing is to choose affirmations that feel authentic and empowering to you. Now let's talk about how to incorporate affirmations into your daily routine. The key is consistency. Just like watering a plant every day helps it grow, repeating affirmations regularly nourishes your subconscious mind and strengthens those new neural pathways we talked about. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day, ideally in the morning or evening when your mind is most receptive. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Then begin repeating your chosen affirmations either silently or aloud. As you say each affirmation, visualize yourself already living the reality it describes. See yourself holding that winning ticket, feeling the joy of financial abundance, and sharing your good fortune with others. Allow yourself to fully experience the emotions associated with winning the lottery. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, the freedom. The more vividly you can imagine it, the more powerfully you'll impress it upon your subconscious mind. You can also write your affirmations down in a journal, create a vision board with images that represent your desires, or even record yourself saying the affirmations and listen to them throughout the day. The most important thing is to find a practice that works for you and to make it a regular part of your daily routine. The more consistently you engage with your affirmations, the more quickly and effectively they'll work their magic. Now you might be wondering, do affirmations really work? Have people actually manifested lottery wins using this method? The answer is a resounding yes. Countless individuals have shared their incredible stories of how affirmations help them attract wealth, abundance, and even those coveted winning lottery numbers. We get it. There's a part of you that might be rolling your eyes, thinking this all sounds great, but it's just wishful thinking. The lottery is random, and there's no way affirmations can change that. And that skepticism is completely understandable. We're often conditioned to believe that our circumstances are fixed, that we're powerless to influence the grand scheme of things. But what if I told you that you have more control than you think? The lottery may seem random, but everything in the universe is connected by energy. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are all forms of energy, and they have a direct impact on the energy you attract into your life. When you focus on lack, scarcity, and doubt, you're essentially broadcasting a signal to the universe that says, I don't believe I deserve abundance. But when you shift your focus to positivity, gratitude, and unwavering belief in your own worthiness, you send a different signal, one that says, I am open and ready to receive. This is where affirmations become a game changer. They help you raise your vibration to align your energy with the frequency of abundance. And when your energy is in alignment with what you desire, you become a magnet for it. Now, we're not saying that affirmations are a guarantee of winning the lottery, but we are saying that they can significantly increase your chances. By shifting your mindset and beliefs, you open yourself up to new possibilities, new opportunities, and new ways of thinking about money and wealth. You start to see the world through a lens of abundance, noticing the countless ways in which prosperity is already present in your life. You become more grateful for what you have, which in turn attracts even more abundance. And as you step into this new energy of abundance, you become a magnet for all that you desire, including that life-changing lottery win. Remember, the lottery is not just about luck. It's about aligning yourself with the energy of abundance, about believing in your own worthiness, and about opening yourself up to the infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer. So, how do you get started on your own affirmation journey? It's simpler than you might think. The first step is to choose affirmations that resonate with you, that speak to your deepest desires and beliefs. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Once you've chosen your affirmations, commit to repeating them daily. Set aside a few minutes each morning or evening to sit quietly, focus on your breath, and recite your affirmations with intention and feeling. As you do so, visualize yourself already living the reality you desire, feeling the joy of winning the lottery, experiencing financial freedom, and using your newfound wealth to create a life you love. Consistency is key. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more deeply they'll become ingrained in your subconscious mind. Think of it like watering a seed. With regular care and attention, it will eventually sprout and grow into a beautiful plant. In addition to reciting affirmations, there are other ways to integrate them into your daily life. You can write them down in a journal, create a vision board with images that represent your desires, or even record yourself saying the affirmations and listen to them throughout the day. The most important thing is to find a practice that feels natural and enjoyable to you. Make it a fun and exciting part of your routine, something you look forward to each day. Remember, the more positive energy you bring to your affirmation practice, the more powerful it will be. Now, here's a little secret. The universe loves to play along. As you start to align your thoughts and feelings with abundance, you'll begin to notice synchronicities and opportunities that you may have missed before. You might find a dollar bill on the ground, receive an unexpected gift, or stumble upon a new source of income. These are all signs that the universe is responding to your positive energy, that it's conspiring to bring you closer to your goals. Pay attention to these signs and celebrate them as small victories along your journey to manifesting your lottery win. As we reach the end of this exploration into the power of affirmations for attracting a lottery win, we hope you're feeling inspired and empowered. Remember, the journey to abundance begins with a single step, a single thought, a single affirmation. Start today. Choose your affirmations, create your practice, and accept the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. Believe in your own worthiness, trust in the universe's abundance, and allow yourself to dream big. Your lottery win could be closer than you think. Remember, the power to change your life is within you. You have the ability to shape your reality, to attract wealth and prosperity, and to create a future filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. So go forth and affirm your way to a lottery win. And as you start on this exciting journey, remember to share your experiences with others. And if this video has resonated with you, if you believe in the power of affirmations to transform your life, then we encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and share this message with your friends and family. Together, we can create a ripple effect of abundance, empowering others to unlock their full potential and manifest their dreams.